Closing market comments for Wednesday, March the 3rd. Markets opened about unchanged last night with corn and wheat a little lower, soybeans a little higher. As the night progressed, the markets did sell off and go lower. And after the break, we continued to see them go down, and corn was down 10 cents, beans down 5, and wheat down 10 as well. So a weaker day in the markets across the board. We did not break through resistance yet at this time, but we are close to resistance levels. Dollar was trading higher again today, and that put pressure on the grains. The other factor is the Brazilian real has been very weak recently. It's lost 6% of its value in the last 10 days, making U.S. crops higher comparison to Brazilian crops, improving the prices for the Brazilian farmer. Basis levels also have declined in Brazil, making them more competitive on corn and soybeans, especially soybeans at this time. The last I heard, they were about 69 cents a bushel cheaper delivered to China than what the U.S. was. OPEC does meet this week, starting tomorrow, and talking about fuel production. A lot of belief that they will not cut production, and that lended support to crude oil, and you'll see that it grows stronger on the day. Otherwise, rainfall in southern Brazil, drier in northern Brazil should help with the crop development in the south and harvesting in the north. China did find more cases of African swine fever. Part of it was found on a load of illegal baby pigs being transported that was infected with African swine fever. The sow herd in China is down 10% lower than what it was in November. So we'll have to see whether that's a trend or whether that's just a situation in the complex. Volvo did announce today they would be all 100% electric cars by 2030 was their goal. The question becomes, what are we going to do with all this ethanol if we have everybody driving electric cars? Today, about 1/3 of all corn used in the United States is used in ethanol. So we'll have to see where that situation goes. Weekly oil inventory was released today. Crude oil was up 21.6 million barrels at 484.6, up 40.5 from last year. Gasoline stocks were down 13.6 million barrels at 243.5, 8.5 million below last year. And distillate stocks were 143 million, down 9.7 from the previous week, and 8.5 million above last year. The big driver in those changes was refinery capacity. We had a lot of refineries shut down in the south because of the cold weather. They're not ramped back up yet. Refineries were running at 56% of capacity. That's down 12.6% from the previous week and 30.9% below last year. So more crude sitting around, less gas and diesel because of the refineries not breaking and running. Ethanol production did increase from the previous week to 849,000 barrels per day. That's up 191,000, but still well below last year at 1,079,000. So we did see only ethanol stocks numbers were friendly at 22.425 million barrels, down 360,000 from the previous week, and 2.539 million below a year ago. The dollar ended the day up 180. Gold was down 1470, silver down 620 points. As I mentioned, crude oil was stronger, closing up $1.50 a barrel at 61.25. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.